Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to talk on Tintin app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Tintin app. So once you've opened up the Tintin app, you need to add your friend first. So if you want to talk with someone first, you need to add them. So go to this add option and then add your friend. So get their pin code. So add it or share your pin code, let them add you. So just add your friend's pin code, hit on the arrow button here. So once they have approved it or received your accept your request, then you will see something like this where you can simply use this screen here. So I can talk with this person here, Darshan. So in order to talk, what I have to do is simply plus and hold it, so as if we are talking. Is simply talk and then release it. In that way I will be similar to a walkie-talkie. So just hold, press and talk, and that's how you can talk on this Tintin app, very similar to a walkie-talkie. But you need to have your friend accepted your request first before you do that. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.